Introducing HP 14S 14 inches laptop in natural silver. It comes in a size of 32.4 into 22.5 into 1.8 centimeters and weighs 1.46 kilograms. The laptop runs on AMD Ryzen 5-5500U processor and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home 64 Single Language Edition, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 and McAfee LiveSafe. It has 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz SDRAM that is upgradable to 16 GB with AMD Radeon Graphics and 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. It is powered with 41 watts-hour lithium-ion battery and supports fast charge. It comes with 14 inches FHD IPS micro-edge display with 250 nits brightness in a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. Enjoy stereo surround sound with dual built-in speakers. It features HP True Vision 720 pixel HD camera, integrated dual-array digital microphones and built-in Alexa. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with two USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI port. The box contains HP laptop, AC power adapter and user manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.